Hello everyone and welcome back to Smart Learning English channel. Today you will listen to a real-life English conversation. This conversation will help you improve your English listening skills. Before we begin, thank you for watching. If you enjoy this listen, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment. Today's conversation is calm, relatable, and very natural. Cindy and Dave talk about coffee shops, busy daily life, relaxing moments, and small situations that many people experience every day. Later in the conversation, Dave shares an awkward moment that happened while ordering coffee, and honestly, many listeners will probably understand how he felt. Hey, Dave.
Hey, Cindy.
You look relaxed today.
Honestly, I finally had a peaceful morning.
Really?
Yeah, I stopped by a coffee shop before work.
That sounds nice.
It actually helped my mood a lot.
Coffee shops can feel comforting sometimes.
Exactly.
Do you usually go there often?
Not every day. Maybe 2 or 3 times a week.
That's reasonable.
I mostly go when I need a quiet place to think.
I understand that.
Sometimes home feels too distracting.
Yeah, exactly.
At coffee shops, I feel more focused somehow.
Same, honestly.
I like the atmosphere there.
The music and background noise?
Yeah, soft music, people talking quietly, coffee machines.
It feels relaxing.
Very relaxing.
What do you usually order?
Usually iced coffee.
Even in the morning?
Yeah, I know it sounds strange.
No, not really.
What about you?
I usually order hot coffee,
Really?
especially when I want to relax slowly.
That makes sense.
Coffee shops feel different depending on the time of day, too.
Oh, yes.
Morning coffee shops feel calm and quiet.
And afternoon coffee shops feel busy and louder.
Exactly.
I actually enjoy going there alone sometimes.
Honestly, me too.
When I was younger, eating or drinking alone felt awkward.
Same here.
But now I kind of enjoy the quiet time.
I think many adults start appreciating peaceful moments more.
Definitely.
Life feels busy all the time now.
Exactly.
Even 30 quiet minutes can feel important.
Especially after stressful workdays.
Very true.
Today, I just sat there drinking coffee and watching people quietly.
People watching at coffee shops is interesting, honestly.
It really is.
You see students studying, friends talking, people working.
Some people even look half asleep.
Especially early in the morning.
I saw one guy staring at his laptop for like 10 minutes without moving.
Honestly, maybe he was mentally tired.
Probably.
Sometimes people just need a quiet place away from everything.
Coffee shops can feel like a small escape.
That's actually true.
But honestly, ordering coffee still makes me nervous sometimes.
Really?
Yeah.
Why?
Some coffee menus are confusing.
Oh, I understand that.
There are too many names for drinks now.
That's true, honestly.
One time the worker asked me what size I wanted,
Okay.
and I completely forgot the size names.
Oh, no.
My brain suddenly stopped working.
What did you say?
I just pointed at the cup and quietly said, "That one."
Honestly, that's understandable.
I felt awkward for no reason.
Coffee shops can feel stressful when people are waiting behind you,
Exactly.
especially during busy hours.
The line behind me makes me panic mentally. I start reading the menu too quickly.
Then suddenly, nothing makes sense anymore.
Yes.
I think many people experience that, honestly.
One time, I accidentally ordered something completely different from what I wanted.
Really?
Yeah,
What happened?
I wanted iced coffee.
Okay.
But somehow, I ordered a hot caramel drink with extra cream.
Oh, no.
I was too embarrassed to change the order.
So you drink it?
Yeah.
Did you like it?
Honestly, it was actually pretty good.
Sometimes mistakes work out well.
True.
I think coffee shops are also emotional places somehow.
What do you mean?
People meet friends there, study there, relax there.
Oh, yeah.
Some people go there when they feel stressed or lonely, too.
That's true, actually.
Small places can become comforting over time.
Especially when workers recognize you.
Exactly.
One worker at my usual coffee shop remembers my order now.
Really?
Yeah. Honestly, it feels strangely nice.
Small things like that can make people feel welcome. Honestly, I think coffee shops have a different feeling from restaurants.
Yeah, I agree.
Restaurants usually feel louder and busier.
But coffee shops feel calmer somehow.
Exactly.
People usually stay longer, too.
That's true.
Some people study for hours.
Or work on their laptops all day.
I always wonder what they're working on.
Same, honestly.
Sometimes they look very serious.
Especially people wearing headphones.
Yeah, they look completely focused.
Could you work at a coffee shop?
Sometimes, yes.
Really?
I actually focus better there than at home.
That makes sense.
At home, I get distracted too easily.
Same.
1 minute I'm working,
And the next minute?
I'm watching random videos or checking my phone.
Very relatable.
But at coffee shops, I feel more motivated to stay productive.
Maybe because other people are working too.
Yeah, exactly.
The environment changes your mood.
Definitely.
Do you have a favorite coffee shop?
Actually, yes.
What do you like about it?
It's quiet, clean, and the workers are friendly.
That's important, honestly.
Also, the lighting feels warm and comfortable.
Oh, yes. Good lighting changes everything.
Some coffee shops feel too cold or bright.
I know exactly what you mean.
My favorite coffee shop feels relaxing immediately when I walk inside.
That's a good feeling.
Sometimes after stressful days, I stop there before going home.
Just to relax for a little while.
Yeah,
Honestly, that sounds healthy.
it helps me calm down mentally.
I think everyone needs small, peaceful routines like that.
Definitely.
Life feels very fast sometimes.
Especially recently.
Yeah,
People are always rushing somewhere.
that's true.
Coffee shops feel slower somehow.
More peaceful.
Exactly.
Do you usually talk to the workers there?
A little.
Just small conversations?
Mostly, yes.
Honestly, small daily conversations are nice sometimes.
I agree.
Even simple things like, how's your day?
It makes places feel warmer and more human.
Exactly.
One worker there always asks how work is going.
That's nice.
Yeah, it's a small thing, but it improves my mood, honestly.
Small kindness matters a lot sometimes.
Definitely.
Did anything awkward happen at the coffee shop recently?
Unfortunately, yes.
I knew there was another story.
It wasn't terrible, just embarrassing.
What happened?
I went there last weekend when it was really crowded.
Okay.
Then the worker called out a name.
And?
I thought it was my order.
Oh no.
So I walked confidently to the counter and grabbed the drink.
Was it yours?
Nope.
Ah,
The actual customer looked very confused.
that's awkward, honestly.
Extremely awkward.
What did you do?
I apologized immediately and gave the drink back.
Thankfully, that's not too bad.
But everyone nearby looked at me for a second.
That always feels uncomfortable.
My confidence disappeared instantly. Honestly, I wanted to leave emotionally.
I understand that feeling.
The worst part is, the drink looked really good.
Dave!
I'm serious. But thankfully, the other customer was nice about it.
That's good.
He laughed and said it happens all the time,
Honestly, crowded coffee shops can become confusing.
especially when many names sound similar.
Very true.
Since then, I double-check every drink name carefully.
That's probably wise.
Emotional growth through embarrassment. But honestly, I think everyone experiences awkward moments in public places sometimes.
Definitely.
Small, embarrassing situations feel huge in the moment.
But later they become funny memories.
Exactly.
I think people are usually kinder and less judgmental than we imagine.
That's true, actually.
Most people are too busy thinking about their own lives.
Honestly, that thought makes social anxiety feel smaller somehow.
Same. You know, coffee shops can feel very emotional sometimes.
Really?
Yeah, different people go there for different reasons.
That's true, actually.
Some people go there to work.
Some people meet friends.
And some people just want to be alone quietly for a while.
Honestly, I understand that feeling more now.
Same.
When life feels stressful, quiet places become important.
Definitely.
I think that's why I started liking coffee shops more recently.
Because they help you slow down mentally?
Exactly.
That makes sense.
Sometimes after work, my brain feels too full.
I understand that, honestly.
Too many messages, conversations, responsibilities.
Life gets mentally noisy sometimes.
Yeah,
Even sitting quietly with coffee for 20 minutes can help.
it really does.
Do you usually bring anything with you there?
Sometimes my laptop, sometimes a book.
Oh, really? You read at coffee shops?
A little.
That sounds relaxing, honestly.
It depends on the atmosphere.
True.
Some coffee shops are too loud for reading.
Especially on weekends.
Exactly.
I once tried studying at a coffee shop during Saturday afternoon.
Bad idea?
Very bad idea.
Too crowded?
Extremely crowded.
Oh no.
There were children running around, people talking loudly.
And loud coffee machine sounds, probably.
Exactly.
That doesn't sound peaceful at all.
Honestly, I gave up after 30 minutes.
I would too.
But weekday mornings feel completely different.
Much calmer.
Yeah.
I think weather changes coffee shop moods too.
Oh, yes.
Rainy days make coffee shops feel extra comfortable somehow.
I was thinking the same thing.
Warm coffee during rainy weather feels different emotionally.
Very true.
Sometimes I purposely sit near the window when it rains.
That sounds peaceful, honestly.
Watching rain while drinking coffee feels relaxing.
Especially when you don't need to rush anywhere.
Exactly.
I think many people secretly enjoy quiet moments like that.
Definitely.
Modern life feels very busy all the time.
People rarely slow down now.
Yeah,
Even when people are relaxing, they're still checking phones constantly.
that's true, honestly.
I'm guilty of that too sometimes.
Same.
One thing I'm trying recently is spending less time on my phone at coffee shops.
Really?
Yeah,
How does it feel?
honestly, better than I expected.
In what way?
I notice more things around me.
That makes sense.
Conversations, music, small details.
Being more present.
Exactly.
I think people feel mentally calmer when they disconnect a little.
Definitely.
Coffee shops can become peaceful places if you let yourself relax.
That's true.
Did you ever meet interesting people there?
Not really friends, but small interactions sometimes.
Like what?
One older man once started talking to me while waiting for coffee.
Really?
Yeah, he noticed the book I was reading.
Oh,
Then we talked for maybe 10 minutes.
that's nice, actually.
He was very calm and friendly.
What did you talk about?
Mostly books and life, honestly.
That sounds meaningful.
Yeah, it was a very simple conversation, but I still remember it.
Sometimes small conversations stay in our memories longer than expected,
Exactly.
especially when someone is kind or genuine.
I think people need more real conversations now.
Honestly, yes.
Everyone is busy online all the time.
But real human conversations feel different.
More comforting somehow.
Definitely.
I think that's another reason people like coffee shops.
Because they feel human?
Yeah,
That's actually a beautiful way to describe it.
wow, coffee really made me emotional today.
Maybe the coffee was extra strong.
Maybe.
Honestly, today's conversation feels very calming.
Yeah, coffee shops have that kind of feeling somehow.
Warm, quiet, and comfortable.
Exactly.
I think people sometimes underestimate how important small, peaceful places can be.
That's true.
Life becomes stressful so easily now.
Especially with work and daily responsibilities.
Yeah,
Some days feel so busy that I forget to slow down completely.
I understand that, honestly.
That's why small routines matter more now.
Like going to your favorite coffee shop?
Exactly.
Having familiar places feels comforting.
Definitely.
Familiar music, familiar workers, familiar drinks.
It creates a peaceful feeling mentally.
I agree.
I used to think relaxing meant doing something big or exciting.
Really?
Yeah, like traveling or going somewhere special.
But now?
Now I realize simple moments can feel just as meaningful.
Honestly, that's very true.
Sitting quietly with coffee after a long day feels valuable now.
Especially when you finally have time to breathe mentally.
Exactly.
I think many adults understand that feeling.
Definitely.
As we get older, peace becomes more important.
Wow, that sounded very wise.
Maybe I need coffee too.
Probably.
Do you think coffee shops help people feel less lonely sometimes?
Honestly, yes.
I think so too.
Even when you go alone, you still feel connected to people somehow.
That's true.
You hear conversations, see people working, laughing, relaxing.
It feels comforting in a quiet way.
Exactly.
Sometimes being around people calmly feels nice.
Especially after spending too much time alone or online.
Very true.
I think modern life can feel isolating sometimes.
Yeah,
People message each other constantly.
but real conversations happen less often.
Exactly.
That's why small places like coffee shops still matter.
Definitely.
They create little moments of human connection.
Even simple things like smiling at workers or holding doors open.
Small kindness again.
Honestly, small kindness is underrated.
I completely agree.
Tiny positive interactions can improve someone's whole day.
Especially when someone feels stressed or tired.
Exactly.
Did you ever become a regular customer somewhere before?
Actually, yes.
Really?
There was a small coffee shop near my old apartment.
Oh,
I went there so often that the workers memorized my order.
that always feels nice, honestly.
It really did.
Familiar places can start feeling almost like home.
Yeah, that's exactly how it felt.
Did you feel sad when you moved away?
A little, actually.
I understand that.
It sounds strange because it was just a coffee shop.
But memories become connected to places.
Exactly.
Different places remind us of different periods in life.
Different emotions, too.
Very true.
Honestly, I think people remember feelings more than places sometimes.
Wow, that's deep.
Coffee conversations make me philosophical, apparently. But seriously, today reminded me how important quiet moments are.
Me too.
Life feels lighter when you slow down occasionally.
Definitely.
Even simple conversations can feel meaningful when people are honest and relaxed.
I agree completely.
Honestly, I think listeners probably understand these feelings too.
Yeah, everyone needs peaceful moments sometimes.
And everyone deserves small breaks from stress.
Exactly.
Maybe that's why coffee shops are so popular everywhere.
Not just for coffee.
But for comfort.
That's actually beautiful.
Wow, we became emotional at the end.
A little.
But honestly, I enjoyed today's conversation a lot.
Me too.
Calm conversations feel really nice sometimes.
Especially after busy days.
Exactly.
Thanks for talking with me today, Dave.
Of course.
And hopefully our listeners enjoyed relaxing with us today too.
And maybe feel a little calmer after listening?
Remember, learning English becomes easier when you enjoy listening naturally.
Don't worry about being perfect. Just practice a little every day.
Step by step. Thank you so much for listening today. Keep practicing your English every day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next lesson.